Alright, when finding the cup on your piece of wood that's going onto the jointer, this is also a surfacing machine. What we're going to do on this machine, there's only one process we can do on here, and that is finishing off the edges. The only time you can ever finish a face on here is when we're doing a thicker piece of wood, like a 4" by 4" leg. Then we have to flatten the face and square it up. We'll get into squaring later. So my edges are what I'm looking to work with. What I have to test is to see which of these two edges now has a cup. If a cup's like this is what we're looking for. Okay, so if it goes from here to here and cups. The way I had two ways of testing it, one is against the fence, one is against the table. I can hold it here and I can push it. As you can see, that's got a pretty good rock to it. If I flip it, this doesn't move at all. Okay, same idea if I put it on the table. I can drop this down a little bit for you. Okay, you can see it rocking back and forth like a teeter-totter. This one doesn't move much at all. So what I'm going to do now is when I make my mark on here, I'm going to take my pencil, I'm going to mark this as my X, which means it faces down. I'm going to mark this one here, TS, for table saw. So what I don't ever do is I don't ever do both edges. If I try to do this edge, I'm going to taper my piece of wood. I just want to cut this one so it goes flat. Okay? Next step is going to be using the actual jointer.